Make sentences using the word go. Go is used as a verb. I go to school every day. The meaning of go here is to move or travel to a place. I go to school every day. Let's go play outside. Let us go play outside. Meaning to move or proceed to do something. She goes to bed early. Here, the meaning of go is to do an action like sleeping. The bus goes at 8 a.m., meaning to leave or depart. Here go means leave or depart. The bus goes at 8 a.m. Can you go slow, meaning to move at a certain speed. Can you go slow? I go to the party with my friends, meaning here the meaning of the go is to attend or join an event, to attend or join. I go to the party with my friends. Where did you go yesterday? Here the meaning of go is to travel or visit a place. Where did you visit yesterday? Instead of visit you can place go. It is your turn to go now, meaning to take your chance or turn. The baby goes quiet when she hears music. Here, the meaning of go is to become or act in a certain way. I'll go with your idea. Here, the meaning of go is to agree or follow someone's plan. Let me review the sentences that we have learned. I go to school every day. Let's go play outside. She goes to bed early. I go to bed early. The bus goes at 8 a.m. The train goes at 10 p.m. Can you go slow? Can he go swiftly? I go to the party with my parents. I went to the party with my friends. The past form of go is went. Where did you go yesterday? Where where did he go yesterday? It is your turn to go now. It is my turn to go now. The baby goes quiet when she hears music. I will go with your idea. He will not go with your idea.